waiting days for support from your payment processor. That delay can cost you money and create serious stress for your business. Here's a quick way to see why this is a common headache. Many payment processors send an automated confirmation, then you are left waiting days or even longer for a real response. That kind of delay can freeze cash flow and make resolving issues stressful. That's why EasyPay Direct offers white glove service. You get a dedicated contact who knows your account and can help you directly. On top of that, decline recovery ensures more payments go through, reducing interruptions while you wait for support. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out today. You will also have mobile payments so you can accept transactions on the go without delay. If you want fast, personalized support without waiting days, EasyPay Direct makes it simple. Fill out their quick sign up form, and you will have a dedicated contact ready to help. The link's in the description to get started.